Hey guys, welcome back to Roblox Mano. And like I said in the description below my hide and seek extreme hiding spots video, I will be playing two other games. Never say the name, Murder Mystery 2 and Flee the Facility. And I'm playing one of them, Flee the Facility. So I'm really sorry, that you guys also was high seek extreme, and you guys just and I took a really long break. I had a problem that was going on, but now I'm back and I'm making more videos. So I'm really happy to be seeing you guys, and thank you so much for subscribing to me. I'm super happy. I know I only have not that much, 9, but it's still a hard time. So like you YouTubers have like more than 1 million subscribers. You guys are so lucky because it takes a lot of work to get that much subscribers. I'm only a level 19 because, as you know, my name before was different. I changed it to Mega Diamonds on Mega Diamonds 19, and that's why I'm on level 19. Otherwise I would have been on like 20, 21. But yeah. So yes, I am a survivor. That is what I wanted because I like this map. Okay, so here's the nickname I call for this room. The crash room, because, all the desks are all messy and stuff, and like, you know. I heard the beast. Okay, that just scared me. Oh my god, this is so scary. I bumped into the beast and I'm stuck. Oh my god. He's probably gonna sprint on me. Boy, run! Oh no, you got hit. I make sure that you do not come to me. So I close that door on you. I don't know why this is being a little laggy. Okay. Oh my god, no. It's only me and that other boy. No, if he gets captured, I'll have to save it. Oh. Oh, you're right. Oh no, I got hit. That boy better save me. It's time to break my keyboard. What is he doing? I see you! He just ran away from me. If he does not save me, he is not saving me! He's even camping me! I'm so sorry if you hear this beeping in the background and people talking because I'm in my room and two of my friends are outside in the backyard and they're really loud and I can hear them. Oh no, I froze. He left. Let's just say GG, like he left. Okay, now there's 4 people. Wait, he did not leave, did he? He came back, didn't he? Is that the same dude? Okay, I really need to check that out. What map? I want to see how much base percent. Okay, 25. I'll vote for the small map. Just in case. Just in case I'm a beast. Okay, now there's time to check if he was here. Like left and then joined back because he got smacked. Huh. He's not. Wait, it's us 3. Who's the 4th person? A ghost? Where are you? Ghost! Ghost! This ghost is nowhere. Where is this ghost? Oh no. And you know the room I was in to see if there's a computer? I call that the chandelier room. And the room where he got captured and so did I call that room the main place because like it's the main place, has no chandelier. And yeah, every room I go in, I'll just tell you guys what me and my friends nickname it. Because like, you guys should know. I'm a survivor. Ah, surprise, I'm no good. That here, the room I'm in is the pool room because it has a pool table. I want to go in the gym. Ah! Oh my god. Scared me to death though. And this is what I call the main place. Okay, no computer here either. I'm gonna open this door and this door. The dogs at the beast. Yes, a computer. So I call this the two-part room because, as you know, it has two parts. Actually, you know what I like to do? Open some doors up for me. Oh no, these two are right next to each other. If these are the last two, that would be really bad. Hey, brother. I mean, Bo. I don't know why I said brother. But hey, bro. So, after the E sign comes, I'll tell you who the beast is. The beast is Doggy School 9, Doggy School 9, or Big Easy K. I don't know which one it is. Wait, how does this work? We have 4 computers, and there's only 2 of us. There should be 3, not 4. And I never saw like 3 people here at all. And there's 4 people in the game. How is this working? I don't think he's gonna come. Come on. Don't take my favorite spot. So this obviously kitchen. I like this spot because you can go under these little tables here and the beast will never ever ever get you. Because they can't crawl. Yeah. Next I might check the cafeteria. So, yeah, we'll see. I'm really annoyed with the beeping. Like, I don't know why it's here. Okay. Oh my god, I will run. Now's my time to run. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna run. I saw the beast. So, yes, there's a computer! Don't take my, you took my spot. This is what I call the cafeteria. It's obvious, looks like a cafeteria. And I like to hide under these little, tables. Like I said, the beast can never get you. I want to go back to the kitchen. I'm actually gonna run. Now would be a good time to run, my little man. I want my credits, but he's probably gonna get caught. But ooh, this is almost done. You came here because the beast was there, didn't you? Okay. You did not finish the one in the cafeteria. That is good because I want my credits. Why is he lagging? Or am I lagging? One of us is lagging. I feel like it's me lagging. I'm actually gonna go look for the other computer. You can get your credits, which I'm not liking. I want my credits. Oh my god, one of these people is a bot, right? Because the limit of this game is 5, and there are 6 people, which I'm not liking. Let me check the chat to see if a bot. No bot, because a bot would be chatting. Hey, want some free roll-up? Go to this website. I know. He's gonna finish that one before me, because that one had a little left, and this one I just started. Oh my god, this lag is so bad. So, yeah. So, you guys should also check my sister's channel. Her name is Emma for Everything, but it's actually harder to find her channel than mine. Because the thing is, I typed up her channel one time and it did not come up. Random people's videos came up and I'm like, what? So, I never found her channel, but you guys can try checking out. And for everything, you could type Faucility, Roblox, and for everything, just, check out her channel. So, yeah. I don't like changing my view because I gotta go back to it, and I don't like doing that. I can grow, but I don't like it. See? I like it like this. I think I changed it. Oh, now I changed my view and I don't like it anymore. But can't be picky. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the cafeteria because like I really want to go to the cafeteria. So yeah, he did not hack it. So I don't know what the other dude is. The exit's right out here. He might be coming back here because he knows this is a computer. I know there might be an extra, but we'll see about the extra. So yeah. Almost done, and it is exit time. I actually want to get my credits and look for the other one. I wonder if it's safe to go here. If the other dude escapes, I will escape and look for the exit, but the beast will probably be after me. Where did he escape from? Which exit? He's so rude, leaving me alone. Please tell me it's this one, please, please, please. Is it? No, it's not. It's not right. It is! I never got to have the extra computer, but GG. That was a little boring round, and you know why? Because not that much people in here. So yeah. So the beast was Doggy Eye School. GG. Let's see what maps we have. So I don't like to check my percent because 30 I'm most likely will be beast. So I picked for a map I'm good at or small, but I now want to pick a good map. This one. It'll be easy if I hack the computer because all the computers are like, you know, basically right next to each other. But it'll be easy for me to. Let me just change my view. Oh no, I can't change my view. Ugh, now I gotta change it manually. Don't like doing that. So we got some more players. One of them is a bot. No, it's not. How did that? Is this game glitching? Because if so, I am really, really annoyed then. So yeah. Give me 2 minutes. So I'm the beast. So yeah, let's see how this game goes. I'm gonna use WASD for this one. I never really used this. No one here. I'm actually gonna use the arrows because I'm more used to the arrows. I hope these people like come right to me. I see you. This is annoying. Yeah. No. Where's she back? Oh my god. Where is he? Where did he jump off, didn't he? I'm gonna go to that mess up sign. Ha ha ha. You can't get away from me. Oh, there's even a trap in this room. Who else is messing up? Oh, this is a long table room to me. Why'd I jump? They're not trying to save. Ha ha ha. Dude who didn't even try saving it. That's what you get. You get the. Oh, he got saved, eh? He got saved. He's probably back to hacking. Now I'm gonna go back there, because I know he's probably hacking.